Hi, my name is Eimear Lawlor, author of Dublin's Girl. I'm absolutely delighted and honoured to have been asked by Cavan Libraries to launch their summer reading campaign for 2021. I'm originally from Virginia in County Cavan, but now I live in Kilkenny with my husband and family. Dublin's Girl is set in Virginia in 1918 and is about a young girl going to Dublin to work to find her independence, but ends up fighting for Ireland's independence. There's a wonderful group, an array of books recommended by Cavan Reads, which I'm sure you'll have great fun and enjoyment reading. I actually remember spending many time in Cavan Library, which was many years ago. It's neither here nor yesterday. I'm sure you will enjoy every book that they've recommended.